Right, hi people. Alright, so I'm doing a new video today showing you guys on how one of my presets, or like I would say just this one main preset which I usually use to edit my pictures, and I'm gonna review it to you guys today just because, why not, because recently I just posted this series right on my Instagram, and apparently it got quite a number of attentions from my followers, and one of my followers wanted to know about what preset I use. And I thought, what, might as well, like, I just recently posted it, so I'm just gonna follow up on his request and do this video and show you guys as well on the preset which I use for these photos. Alright, so yeah, let's just go straight on to Lightroom and show you guys the preset which I use. Alright, let's go. Hey guys, before we proceed with the video, please remember to subscribe and please leave the notification bell on. That would be much appreciated. Thank you. Technically, I just realized that this preset video which I'm about to showcase is not much a preset which I use, more like a base structure. This preset of mine is more like a base to where I can see, where I can manipulate my colors into, like more than like a preset on itself which you just slap and you get it. But yeah, this is what I did. Let's start with this. Alright, so this was one of the photos that got through. So this is before the preset, and now this is after the preset. So the preset which I use, let me just reset it. So it's called, I call it my smooth teal preset, and honestly if I just click on it, it'll just be like this, like so teal, but that's not how you're supposed to use it. So okay, as you can see, it's not as nice because the whole freaking picture is tilt in color. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to get the white balance correct. So I move the, usually what you can do, a hack is you just press auto. If auto cannot, usually you can just click the white balance here. Okay, so you can just tell, you just readjust the white balance yourself. So you just before, after. As you can see, I did not tackle any basic stuff because it's a preset, and the basic stuff I'll usually just manipulate it. You usually just manipulate it after you put on the preset. So after you put on my smooth teal preset, you just got the tone curve, which is this S curve. After S curve, my red is, you go to the red, then you can see my red is down. My green, I did not touch the green. My blue is up, so that's basically what I do at the tone curve. My HSL, I also didn't touch anything. My color grading, I did touch. So basically what I did was, my shadows is more towards the teal side, and you can just copy it right here. I think the number, you can just copy it, 156, saturation 3, and yeah. So my midtones, I didn't change anything, and my highlights I changed. So my hue is 180 and my saturation is 8. So there's not much to this preset. Of course, the lens correction, I just put enable profile. Details, I just sharpen. Yeah, these are my details, I'll say. So sharpening is 50, noise reduction, yeah. But let's see what else did I do with this preset. Alright, my effect vignetting is -8. My midpoint 50, feather 50, yeah, grain I didn't put anything. Calibration, alright, calibration I did something with it. So my blue primary I shifted more to the teal side than the very bluish side. So it's -80, that's what I did. So if I'm just, okay, so after you set this settings up, you just go back to your basic, then you see that you just work around the basics, so you can see the shadows are down. So increase the shadows so that they can bring it up. Then you see the highlights are too much, so you bring the highlights down. So what you can do. Usually I like to increase my clarity to, I think anywhere between 0, like 10 to 20 is a safe amount to put your clarity. So I think I'll just put around 12. Texture, I reduce it down. That's what I did. To be honest, I didn't do much with this preset. Like I said, vibrance increase. Then saturation I put slightly down. Then to be honest, the pink, right? The pink, where I made the pink come from is this rectangular tool. I just call it rectangular tool. Then drag it to this side. Alright. Drag it like that. Alright. Then what I did was, right, increase the pink right here. Increase the pink right there. The tint of the pink. Increase the exposure slightly. Texture decrease. Clarity slightly decrease. Saturation slightly increase for the pink. Bada bing, bada boom. Sure. I think the highlights will like increase it if I'm not wrong. And you should get it soon. Like that. So if I want to recompose it just slightly a bit to get more central. So yeah, so that's what you get. Before, after. Before, after. Alright? So that's what I did with this preset.